Happy October 12th, everyone. So last Saturday, I had this belt buckle ordered for my Halloween costume, and it came today. So this is gonna be, well, not an unboxing, unpackaging, I don't know. But we're just going to get right into it. Now, if you're a little kid or something, you might want to have your parents to help you open this. So, you guys ready? Let's unpackage this. I'm so happy. This is the belt buckle, you guys. Here. I could have done it at the end to open it. Oh well. But you guys, this is the belt buckle. This is it. Ah! Before I drop it. This is it, you guys. This is the belt buckle. I love this belt buckle, and the reason why I got this is because I'm going to be dressing up as Gerard Way from My Chemical Romance, from their Revenge era. And Gerard Way wears this belt buckle during their Bullet era and Revenge era. So this is the reason I got it. I'm super happy about it. So yeah, this is probably the best thing in the world right here. So I'm super excited. Yeah. This is what it looks like. It'll focus. That is the belt buckle, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. Remember to, if you like this video, remember to like, comment, subscribe. Yeah, no hate comments, please, because they will be removed. Thank you. Have a great day.